आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, Maharashtra, a state known for its rich culture, resilience and unity, is now grappling with a disturbing wave of hooliganism. From language disputes to petty arguments, from WhatsApp statuses to toll plaza vandalism, Maharashtra is witnessing a surge of violence driven by political vigilance who seem to have taken the law in their own hands. The ground reality paints a grim picture. Where is the police? Why is the government failing to rein in these goons? Let's debate. From a language issue to a WhatsApp status or a minor argument, Maharashtra has witnessed spate of hooliganism incidents over anything and everything. In Mumbai's Vikhroli, a Rajasthani shopkeeper was assaulted by MNS workers over a WhatsApp status insulting Marathi-speaking people. MNS workers reached at his shop, confronted him and physically assaulted him. They demand a public apology to the entire Marathi community. While the Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has assured action.
देखिए, मीरा रोड की घटना के तुरंत बाद FIR भी दाखिल हुआ और कार्रवाई भी हुई है। इस प्रकार से कोई भाषा के आधार पर गुंडागर्दी करेंगे तो हमारी सरकार उनको छोड़ेगी नहीं, उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई करेगी। मैं वापस कह रहा हूँ, स्वभाषा का अभिमान होना चाहिए, मातृभाषा का अभिमान होना चाहिए, पर उसको आगे करके अगर कोई गुंडागर्दी करेगा तो सहन नहीं किया जाएगा।
This is neither the first nor an isolated incident. Just days ago in Mira Road area of Thane district, a food stall owner was allegedly beaten up for not speaking Marathi. In Thane's Bhivandi, MNS forced a non-Marathi rickshaw driver to apologize after a scuffle broke out between him and a Marathi youth.
एक पण महाराष्ट्रीय माणसाला हात लागला नाही पाहिजे, नाही तर हा हात तुझ्या कुठे लटकेल.
The rickshaw driver was threatened that if you try to touch a Marathi youth in future, then see where your hands will go. This hooliganism is neither restricted to a particular party nor reason. A few days back, Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Gaikwad hurled abuses and slapped canteen staff in Mumbai over stale food. When asked on the same, he brazenly said that when someone fails to understand democratic language, then I have to use this language only. No action has been taken against him yet, despite assurances by the Chief Minister. MNS workers vandalized Tondgaon Toll Plaza on Akola Nanded Highway. The reason? Lack of facilities. And this video of an MNS leader, Javed Sheikh's son, has been going viral even now. Watch how half-naked, fully drunk on power and alcohol,
how this VVIP brat Rahil Sheikh allegedly hits a woman's car and harassed her.
आमचे लोक तुम्ही लोक मराठी शिकवता ना रे लोकांना.
अरे तर माझा बाप महाराष्ट्र राज्य उपाध्यक्ष आहे.
तुझा बाप महाराष्ट्राचा अध्यक्ष आहे.
हा
कोण मनसेवाले.
हा
अच्छा आणि तू दारू पिऊन माझ्या गाडीवर चढणार गाडी
अरे
ठोकणार.
काय
अच्छा तुम्हाला शिव्या देतोयस. हा दे शिव्या दे. गाडीला ठोकलं का? तू माझ्या गाडीला का ठोकलं?
ताई माफ कर.
मग तू आता बोललास माझा बाप कोण आहे मला.
अरे काय मी तुम्हाला
अरे मी थोडासा परप्रांती लोकांना साथ दिला तर काल 200 लोक माझ्या अंगावर आले. आज तू माझी गाडी ठोकतोयस. आपल्या बापाची धमकी देतोयस तू मला.
माफ करा ना.
माफी नको आहे. तू दारू पिऊन गाडी का चालवतोय.
काय सांग
तू दारू पिऊन गाडी का चालवतोय.
किती झाली.
Why are political vigilantes taking over law and order? Why is the government and police letting goons take over cities?
And Sanju Verma stays back on this debate tonight. Krishna Hegde, Deputy Leader and Spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, joins us. Also, Chandrasekhar Jha, Shiv Sena UBT Spokesperson, joins us on the debate, and so does senior journalist Pankaj Sharma. Let me begin this debate by going to Chandrasekhar Jha. Chandrasekhar ji, let me say Jai Maharashtra, Jai Marathi. And if I could just ask you, because this is for all our viewers, when are we celebrating the Marathi Bhasha Gaurav Divas?
Let me tell you very frankly, the state is continuously failing to control the violence which is taking place in Maharashtra. Even yesterday also, one journalist was targeted. So eventually the state is giving assurance but could not take any damage control
Mr.
on
Jha,
this.
I said I want to begin this debate by saying Jai Marathi, Jai Maharashtra. And I want to ask you, when is the Marathi Bhasha Gaurav Divas celebrated in Maharashtra?
See, I don't know the exact date. I should admit that.
You do not know
Eventually-
the exact date when the pride of Marathi language is celebrated in Maharashtra. An official day has been designated. But you want all non-Marathis to speak in Marathi. And if they do not know Marathi, they will be beaten up. Their shops will be vandalized. They will be threatened. And this is all happening in Maharashtra. And since you're part of the UBT, you will have to take onus for what MNS goons are doing. Because now both the brothers are on the same platform. Who takes onus, Mr. Jha?
The onus is on the state to stop it.
The onus is
And-
on the state. It's
Yes.
not on the goons who are threatening and actually vandalizing shops. It's not on them.
These actions are being taken upon provocation or some kind of insult to the Marathi language. And if those actions are there, the state
Mr.
should also take
Jha,
action.
this
in-
is precisely
in
why I asked you that the party that is speaking of Marathi Gaurav is talking about the pride of Marathi language, does not know when the the Gaurav Divas is celebrated, but they want all non-Marathis to be speaking in Marathi in Maharashtra. If they do not, and that does not mean that they are not respecting Marathi. It just means that they do not know the language. That they will be threatened. The episode that has happened now, Sanju, if I come to you, why are you letting the goons take all this place, all the prominence? They're everywhere. They're threatening people. They're beating them up. What is the state government doing? What is the BJP doing?
Okay, Sucharita, I'm glad you asked me that. And without trying to be politically correct, I am sitting here on live TV and saying I condemn what scuffle took place between the goons of Jitendra Awad and Gopi Chand Padalkar. I condemn the language used by Sanjay Gaikwad. I also condemn the antics of half-drunk and fully naked Rahil Javed Sheikh, son of MNS leader. So I'm not going to be using different yardsticks for different netas. But the fact of the matter is this, and by the way, I don't have access to Google currently, but 27th February is Marathi Bhasha Divas. And let me tell Mr. Jha one thing. you cannot selectively condemn MNS because some of their senior leaders, and I'm going to take names.
Sanju, the
Sucharita,
government cannot
Priyanka,
condemn. They need to take action. If you sitting
Yes,
there and
yes.
condemning
Take
it,
action.
who's going to
Condemning
take the
Absolutely.
action? You're just going to condemn, and the action will be
Absolutely.
taken by somebody
No,
else.
Absolutely. No, Sucharita, let me finish. I'm coming to that. Like I said, the uncomfortable truth will not be shoved under the carpet. Yes, law and
I
order
hope
is
so.
a state subject, and Devendra Fadnavis, by virtue of being the Chief Minister and the Home Minister of Maharashtra, has assured not once, not twice, but umpteen times that he will take action and do the needful, and the
He will
culprits
take
will not be
action.
allowed
He
to
has
get
assured,
away,
but where
irrespective
is the
of their
action?
political ideology.
Where is the action?
Devendra Fadnavis has said it in as many words. When the Chief Minister has assured, I don't think anybody else needs to sit and second guess. But very quickly, Sucharita, you know,
But
Mr.
it's all
Jha,
going on, Sanju. It's
It's
not
only-
stopping. Every day an incident like this comes up. We're waiting for the action to happen.
Okay.
And here Mr. Jha is saying the onus is on the government. You're saying we're condemning it but not taking
Sucharita,
action.
let me just finish. Sucharita, let me please finish. I'm coming to that. Barely 6 to 7 hours back today, Mr. Fadnavis was asked two questions. A, will action be taken against goons irrespective of what their party affiliation is? He said yes. B, he was asked, will the three-language formula be applied? He said yes. All I know is it will be applied in toto, but I can't say whether the three-language formula will be applied from class 1, class 3 or class 6. We are waiting for the Narendra Jadhav committee's recommendations. These two things have been stated a few hours back by the Chief Minister of
No,
Maharashtra,
Sanju.
but very
Sanju,
quickly,
no.
Sucharita,
Sanju,
each
you're
time-
waiting. No.
Sucharita.
What I'm trying to say is, you're saying it won't be brushed under the carpet, but you're doing exactly that. You can wait for recommendations to come, you can wait for reports to come, but action needs to be taken now. If we see an incident happening every day, this instills a fear in the minds of people who are non-Marathis, who do not know the language. And I don't know why this is happening. Now, Pankaj Sharma, if I'll just go across to him.
want to
Sanju, I'll come back to you. Let me just come back to you. Mr. Sharma, all I'm saying is there are people from different regions of the country who are staying in Maharashtra. Now the MNS goons are on a rampage. They want to threaten, they want to beat up people. As now Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray being on the same platform, I don't know if I can call them now. Raj Thackeray also somebody who's in alliance with now the Congress party as well, because he's with Uddhav now. What is happening? Why is the Congress party not speaking against it? Why are they so afraid of speaking against MNS, speaking against the UBT netas?
Because MNS is responsible.
Yes,
The
to speak
hooliganism in
against
the
it.
name of any language must be curbed by the governments of any political party in any state, including Maharashtra. See, this rowdyism by MNS workers, the violence, the verbal abuse should not be tolerated. How can MNS or anyone for that matter claim the ownership of Bombay or Maharashtra or on the Marathi language? See, I am not a Marathi speaking man, but I have read the translated works of Sant Gyaneshwar, Sant Tukaram, Sant Eknath, Sant Ramdas, Vishnu Sakharam Chandekar, Pulu Deshpande, Ranjit Desai, Vranda Karandikar, even Anna Bhau Sathe, Daya Pawar, Babu Rao Bagul. So those who are
Please
beating,
condemn
humiliating,
MNS, no?
pressing,
Please condemn
compelling
Uddhav Thackeray.
non-Marathi
Uddhav Thackeray is a
speaking
close
people
buddy
to
now
apologize
of
on the
Rahul Gandhi.
streets. See, BJP is involved.
No, but
They are able
Uddhav
to
Thackeray is
do it.
backing them, no?
They are
Rahul
able to
Gandhi
do it.
Uddhav Thackeray is backing them
BJP is
in a
promoting
public,
them. BJP is promoting
in a
them.
public
BJP is
platform,
involved.
coming
Rahul
on
Gandhi
stage
is
together
also
and
taking
saying,
action.
if I want to defend Marathi, if they call me a gunda, I'm ready to be a gunda. If they say this, if they think that I'm a gunda, then I will be called a gunda, is what he's saying. So what does that mean? You're standing with Raj Thackeray and you're saying this, and you know the background. So what are you trying to insinuate? You're trying to tell people that if you're not going to speak in Marathi, this is the beating you're going to get.
And why can't Congress
Mr. Sharma.
condemn Uddhav Thackeray? ऐसी क्या मजबूरी है आपकी, Mr. Sharma?
No,
राहुल गांधी और उद्धव ठाकरे की
if
दोस्ती इतनी
if
ज्यादा
Uddhav
होगी
Thackeray is
कि आज राहुल
prompting
गांधी
this,
उद्धव
promoting
ठाकरे
this,
को
he should
condemn
also
करते
be
हैं।
दोस्ती
taken
तो
to
बीजेपी
task.
और एमएनएस
But
की
the
भी
fact
थी।
is, BJP is involved. BJP is prompting. BJP is promoting.
First you condemn
No,
Uddhav
because-
Thackeray's goons.
They
I have
have
done
no
that.
relation to
Condemn
Marathi
Raj
culture.
Thackeray's
Okay.
gundas. I have done
They
that.
have no respect
Devendra
for Marathi
Fadnavis has
language.
also condemned Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray's
No,
gundas and
the
also said if
BJP is
someone from
promoting is the
BJP
allegation.
engages in
The
vandalism,
BJP is
उस पर
promoting
भी
is the
कार्रवाई
allegation.
होगी।
Krishna Hegde. Mr. Hegde, the BJP is promoting and Shiv Sena Shinde wants to be part of that because there are BMC elections. So your own minister speaks against you, saying that MNS people are allowed to, if non-Marathis can stage a protest, why not MNS? So the minister is siding with MNS now. What is happening in Maharashtra? Mr. Hegde?
Let me tell you that Shiv Sena was formed to fight for the rights of the Marathi Manus and also the Hindus. And therefore, that is the ideology. This is the ideology, which was from our founder we have received, Sanmanya Hindu Hriday Samrat Balasaheb Thackeray ji. However, having said that, let me tell you that if any incident of some kind has happened in our party, our party Pramukh, top leader, Eknath Shinde ji, has clearly in the national executive spoken to all ministers, all MLAs and all leaders of the party that such incident should not be repeated. Otherwise, they are going to take stern action and it may even cost them their jobs.
Sir, when will there...
All lip service.
Sir,
No.
after which
that,
incident are you
Sucharita,
going to
after
say
that-
that... Now,
No,
there have been
you have
so
given
many incidents, sir.
You have
MNS
given
workers vandalized a toll plaza. MNS workers assaulted a
We are not
shopkeeper in
part of
Aerol,
MNS.
Navi Mumbai for not conversing in Marathi. MNS goons
telling
assaulted
you-
a chemist in Pune for allegedly disrespecting Marathi language.
Sucharita,
Language
let me
imposition
complete
and...
first.
No, what I'm
Please
trying
let
to
me
say,
complete.
so many incidents and you're still
First,
saying we will not tolerate it.
No. First, let me tell you what our party leader has told us and told us firmly.
Yes.
Secondly, let me come to the government stance and the government view on this. Wherever cases have been lodged, people have been arrested, and where the persons who have not lodged any cases, there we cannot take any action because cases have not been registered. Now let me come
No,
to the
do you
MNS
think they will be in a
action.
position to
Let me-
register an FIR?
Let me
Mr. Hegde, now this is another, this is another debate point. Mr. Hegde, you're saying we cannot take action where a case has not been registered. No, Mr. Hegde, you've got to listen to this. Mr. Hegde, where the shopkeeper is seen holding his ears, he's apologizing on camera. He's being forced to apologize. Do you think he will be in a position to go to the police and put in an FIR?
Let me come to this incident in Vikhroli which happened.
Okay.
The shopkeeper had a WhatsApp status where he was provoking and taunting the Marathi Manus. And
Yes.
therefore the MNS workers reached his shop. They asked him to hold his ears and apologize. And over that, he was walking barefoot on the street. Now tell me which section can be put on this. It is either humiliation, but he has not got beaten. At the most, a NC, a non-cognizable offence can be registered in this matter and no FIR can be registered. Firstly, we should also study the law. Thirdly, let me tell you, even their leader Raj Thackeray ji has told them that they should not get into provocation and beat up people. Only if it is a serious thing that then they can, for an action they can give a reaction. But for any agitation which is in the state, if the agitation has to be controlled,
Mr.
it will
Hegde,
take
are
some
you
time to
providing
subside.
a defense for Raj
Sucharita,
Thackeray
can I
now?
quickly come in, please?
Are
I
you
am
putting
not
in a
providing-
defense for Raj
I am
Thackeray
not
now?
providing- I am
You're
not
saying
providing-
that even
I
Raj
said
Thackeray
that-
has told them, then don't get into a provocation. So you're trying
Yes,
to
sir,
give
it
in
is
a
there on
defense
the
for
public
Raj Thackeray.
No, it is there on a public platform where he has said, but however, our chief
No, so he's
minister
also said this, that he's also said that beat people up, but don't make a video. Let them go out and tell people that they were beaten. He said
for
that also.
No. For that, our government, Mahayuti government and our Chief Minister, Honorable Devendra Fadnavis ji has clearly said, whoever takes the law in their own hands will be severely dealt with and punished. So tell me, after that incident, what law has been taken into whose hands? And
Can I come
if
in?
any incident
No, but
has happened...
this is the incident we're talking about. This
No,
whole
this-
thing about the Rajasthani shopkeeper.
he
He
has
put in
not
a statement,
been-
देख लिया राजस्थानी का power, हम मरवाड़ी हमारे सामने किसी की नहीं चलती है. I'm saying,
was he provoking the Marathi Manus or no? Please tell me.
No, you tell me.
Was
You
he
think this is
provoking-
provocation?
I'm telling you that he was provoking the Marathi
He was
Manus.
provoking. Okay.
And-
Now these
okay.
kind of WhatsApp
Now the Mansi
statuses,
people have gone and told
sir,
him to
tell
remove
me.
status.
All I'm asking is, I am sitting in the state of Uttar Pradesh. If I put in a status देख लिया मराठी का पावर, महाराष्ट्रियन का पावर. हम मराठी लोग, हमारे सामने किसी की नहीं चलती. If I put this in UP, will goons come and start threatening me? Will they start abusing me?
Charita,
Will they?
let me tell
No,
you.
I'm asking you. I'm just asking you. I'm just putting a hypothetical situation.
Let me answer you. Yeah. See, the Marathi Manos is full of and rich of culture, and even he does not.
The people
endorse
of
all
UP
this.
are not.
No, all of them are. All of them are. Every religion and every caste and every state is proud of their language, and also Maharashtrians are proud of Marathi. Similarly, as UP people may be proud of Hindi, or Gujaratis may be proud of Gujarati.
No, sir,
proud
all
of the
I'm saying
language
is
is a different
half
thing.
of them, these
And
MNS,
therefore, let me tell
no, MNS workers, I began this debate by asking Mr. Jha about the Marathi Gaurav Divas, and why I said this was,
And it is
a lot of
27th
these
February
MNS
and
workers
Maharashtra
would
Divas
not
is
know
first.
this, that their Marathi language has a day where it's being celebrated. But for the cameras, they want to go and threaten people, and this is all being done. Why? Because there is a BMC election. Sanju?
Sucharita, I want to just make one very quick point. And yes, Marathi Gaurav Divas is 27th February and Maharashtra official languages day is May 1st. This
Yes.
is for Mr. Jha. But on a more serious note, I always say this, that taking cognizance of the problem is, the first step towards resolving the problem. And I think the fact that the Chief Minister has now clearly said enough is enough, I think that's a categorical indication that no more vandalism will be tolerated. But Sucharita, one point I need to make. I have the guts to say, even if a BJP MLA is engaging in vandalism, jail ki salakho ke piche daliye, irrespective of political ideology. But I was shocked that this Rajya Sabha MP of Uddhav Thackeray's Sena, Priyanka Chaturvedi, was asked on another channel by an anchor, "Tumhala Marathi yete ka?" She says, "Ho, mala Marathi mahit ahe, पण माझी मराठी कमजोर आहे." And in the same way, she says she supports imposition of Marathi. अरे मैडम, आपसे 3 वाक्य मराठी में बोले नहीं जाते, वो भी आप टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर देख के बोलती हो. But when Uddhav Thackeray's goons are beating up Biharis and Uttar Pradesh के नागरिक, you have consumed Fevicol in wholesale. I think this is the hypocrisy that needs to be called out. And I have been staying in Maharashtra for the longest time. All I can say is, मराठी माणूस शांतता प्रिय असतात, त्यापैकी बहुतेक जण हिंदी बोलतात. राज ठाकरे गुंडे यांच्या उद्धव ठाकरेच्या विनाशकारी गुण महाराष्ट्राच्या प्रतिनिधित्व करत नाही. Maharashtrians are peace loving, they speak Hindi, and Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray do
there's
not
so many,
represent
you're right,
Maharashtrians.
Sanju. Mr. Sharma, there are so many Maharashtrians who are coming in and saying that this is not us. We can't be beating up people. This is just a section of political workers who are doing this. We take pride in our language, everyone does, but this is not us.
Taking pride in a language is a different thing, but these people are language naxals. They are linguistic extremists. They are fanatics. They are
Yes.
lunatics. Anyone promoting them is involved in the heinous crimes of linguistic carnage.
This-
Let me tell you, I am afraid that this radicalism, will rather than make Marathi flourish, will convert Maharashtra.
Exactly, I agree.
into a
I agree.
slaughterhouse.
And it is important that all political parties speak against it. All political parties, because this is going to become a menace and it will be only affecting the poor people on the street. Thank you so much to all of you for joining me on the debate.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिर्फ जल जीरा मसाला.
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप